What if there is a way to make money online in the next 24 hours without creating videos, without showing your face, and without creating your own product? Making money online is a real thing. But more often than not, people are confused with all the random stuff gurus sell them, which brought them nothing but disappointment. Hi, my name is Bill Ang, and I have mentored over 360 students. And I have come to realize this common issue faced by all of my students after being let down over and over by false promises, shiny objects and bad gurus. All they ask is one genuine person to show them the ropes. I have since helped most of them who are willing to take action, see results either by allowing them to have a profitable side hustle or take their online business full time. But hey, don't my word for it. Hear what my students have to say.
How are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg, and I'm very excited today to be talking to you about a new product called Breaker. It is being launched by my good friend Bill Ang and his partner Shawan, and it is a system that teaches you how to make consistent money online, especially with affiliate marketing. If you are new or if you're struggling with affiliate marketing, you're going to get loads of benefit from Breaker. I use a lot of these same tips and tricks and tools every day to help me make consistent money online. And a lot of my friends and peers also in the make money and affiliate marketing niche do the same thing. So my friends, you will get tremendous benefit from Breaker. I think it is fantastic. I'll talk to you soon. Get Breaker. Take care.
I would like you guys to meet Sean, the co-creator of Breaker, and a student of mine as well. When he brought up this secret strategy that's making him over $232 daily, it got me super excited. And I told him, we need to let more people in on this. This literally changed his life. And I know it can do it for you too. That is why we spent countless hours planning and refining this strategy, and finally came up with the best way for everyone, from complete newbies to a slightly more seasoned entrepreneurs. We have something for you. Click the link below to secure your copy of Breaker today. Before I let you go, currently, you're looking at Breaker's discounted price, which also includes a massive bonus package worth over $10,000. So I encourage you to take action before I stop being insane and over-delivering. Click the link below this video and start breaking free from your shackles today.